Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. I'm here to show you this beautiful 2024 SLX 310 that's right behind me. We're starting off on the exterior like we do on all of our boats. It's a beautiful Sea Ray blue, which is basically like a navy. You have some great white accents on the top of the gunnel and a nice white hull bottom. You'll see that this boat is equipped with a windlass anchor, stainless steel. You'll have 6 stainless steel cleats around this entire boat to tie up your boat at the dock, at a slip, maybe at a restaurant. Looking at the hardtop, a beautiful sunroof that you can open up, and it does come with an extended shore shade in the back, so you can deploy that aft to cover the aft lounging area to give you more shade on a nice sunny day. That's kind of a brief overview of the exterior. Let's go take a peek at the interior. All right guys, we are in the aft on the stern here of the 310. And beautiful area, nice sun pad in the back here to lounge out, enjoy your time on the water. It does have some backrests that flip up into different positions, just to kind of customize your seating configuration. You have a transom stereo remote back here to control the audio system, which is nice. You can kind of change the volume, change the song from back here. Beautiful embroidered Sea Ray logo here, some very nice stitching, looks very premium, which it is. A starboard entryway into the cockpit area, nice spacious walkway, freshwater washdown station right here. Again, it is a little windy, so I'm sorry if you can hear the wind noise. Boarding step right here to make it easy to board or to unboard the boat. As you walk in, you'll notice right away this little galley-like area here, little prep station up on top. It does have an electric stovetop, a sink, and a refrigerator down below to put your drinks in there and have a great day on the water. Here's what's also cool, great access to a garbage can. You're gonna have a great seating configuration, very spacious. You're gonna feel like you can accommodate a lot of people because you can. A table can be inserted into the cockpit here. Everybody can sit around the table, play cards, have a drink, eat some food. A great place to cater to your friends and to your family. You're gonna have storage underneath all of these seats here that you see, except for these two right here, because this is an engine hatch that actually lifts up. So hardtop, I pointed out that you have a nice sunroof that you can open up and close. You have the extended shore shade here equipped. It's automatic, so it actually will deploy aft, give you a lot of shade in the back lounging area. Moving up here towards the helm and the co-captain's chair over here. So these benches are double wide. They have flip up and flip down bolsters, which is really nice. Gives you options. If you need more visibility, you can do so. But at the helm, it's appointed very, very well. You're going to have dual SIMRAD screens that you can have access to your engine information, your charts. You can have your Sea Ray controls popped up right here. So a lot of things that you can do within these screens, very easy to navigate too. You have your physical buttons still here on the dash, your Fusion audio system right here, which is flush mounted. Looks very nice. You have your dual throttles, your Axios joystick here to control this boat around a dock or in a tight situation. So that's a very nice thing to have on a boat like this. And then you do have your Lenco trim tabs here, which really are your DRS, your dynamic running surface. They're automatic trim tabs to level out the boat, help this boat get up on the plane a little bit faster as well if you have a lot of people in the boat. On the port side here, a nice glove box here. You're gonna have a head that opens up. Looks very nice, very spacious. Moving up into the bow of the 310, you'll notice the walkway is pretty wide, so you're gonna feel like just walking up into the bow that you have a lot of room. This whole boat, really, you have a lot of room. Up in the bow, great places to lounge. You're gonna have flip up and flip down armrests right here. You're gonna have 3 cup holders on each side, so 6 in total. The grab handles, all of the stainless steel grab handles are actually wrapped in vinyl. So when it gets really hot out, you're not gonna burn your hand on the stainless steel, which is nice. Access to your windlass anchor. You have a freshwater washdown station up in the bow as well. So there's really nothing that you don't have on this 310 for a nice day on the water. Guys, that was the Sea Ray SLX 310 here at the MarineMax Rogers location. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or come stop by. Thank you.